Hello and welcome to today's class on Paneer Pasanda. We need all these ingredients. Paneer Pasanda is one of the traditional Indian recipes and I'm sure you will love it. So we start by preparing onion and cashew nut paste. For this, boil diced onion and cashew nuts in water for about 5 minutes. And then grind them in a blender to form a thick paste. Slice the cottage cheese so that stuffing can be done inside it, just like this. For stuffing, mix dry fruits, pickle, some crumbled cottage cheese together. And then stuff it inside the cottage cheese, just like this. Do not overstuff the cottage cheese, otherwise it will break when we fry it. Next, we will prepare cornstarch slurry. This will seal the edges of the cottage cheese. Mix cornstarch and water and mix it together. Then soak the cottage cheese, seal the edges, and then fry the cottage cheese over hot oil. For gravy preparation, heat some oil in a pan, then add some whole spices, start by adding ginger garlic paste, then add the onion and cashew nut paste, cook it. We add yogurt or simple curd. Then we add some water to set the consistency right. Then add the spices, turmeric, salt, garam masala, and red chili powder. Cook it for a few minutes. Then add some fresh cream. Finish the gravy with some roasted kasuri methi. Our gravy is now ready. Now for the plating and garnish, we cut the cottage cheese into 4 parts. The gravy should be thick and rich, and this is how you garnish. I hope you like the dish. Try it and pair it with Indian breads. Happy cooking!